Hello, my name is Kevin Shea, and I'm grateful to be able to share a few words about Veterans Day. I retired as a service member of the Fire Department of New York. 20 years ago, I served as a firefighter on the tragic day known as September 11, and is also referred to as 9/11 because that's the date it happened. I, along with many other service members from the military, like the Air Force, Navy, Marines, Army, Coast Guard, and our local first responders, such as the EMS, the fire department, police, and the hospital personnel, served together on those tragic days. I was seriously injured that day when a very tall building called the World Trade Center collapsed with many people still inside. Sadly, many people, including service members, lost their lives. Many more were hurt like me, and many still suffer today from long-term illness and injuries as a result of their bravery to protect and save people like us from events caused by people that seek to harm others. Some of you know some of these members. They may be your family, others' families, and you meet them at places you travel. When you meet with a service member on Veterans Day, or any day, it is good to show how you feel about all service members living among us, and even those no longer with us, those that serve and those that served our country to protect us each and every day. You may wonder, so how can you do that? Well, I'm sure the teachers have something that's in mind, and I'm only here to offer some ideas. You could try and know more about that service member, like us, to do for that community. You can start a conversation with them about what they do, or read about them. You can also let them know how you feel about their good service. And if you are happy that they are there to protect you, just let them know. And if you want to try something for a service member to show you are proud of them, a simple Happy Veterans Day or a salute can be nice. I'll show you a salute. It's a type of greeting that a service member could appreciate. Well, what to do about honoring those who are no longer alive? Well, from my experience, the best way to honor my lost ones is to keep them in my memories and to think about them on this very day, Veterans Day. Because many of you have questions and comments about this day, I have also enclosed links to informative videos about Veterans Day in the links below, and you can respond with comments and ask questions. I thank you, students, with a salute, and I wish a proud Veterans Day to all my service members.